So guys, I finally got my TV mount. So we take it off of the mantle, put it up on the wall, and it look much better. Now I'm gonna have to figure out how to hide all of these wires. Or somebody say buy like a radio box and put them in the box. So I have to figure out how to put all of them in the box. But this TV mount is the full motion TV mount, and it can hold up to 19 inches TV. 19 inches to 90. So it can fit 19 inches to 90 inch TV. So this is a full motion TV mount. I'm going to show you how it works. So you can pull out the TV like this. Pull it right out. But I think it balance on the wall because it tilt to this side. But you can watch TV from this side. You can also bring it around and put it in the middle like this. You can stay in the middle like that. And you can put it out more. Pull it right out. You can stay right there. So if I'm sitting in the chair and like here towards the TV, you still can't see the TV from this motion. Because you know the living room, the chair over here, so the TV to the side. So this motion, full motion TV mount is perfect. So I'm going to push it up.